Fox News alert. Nick Reiner in court for the first time today in his suicide vest and shackles. He's charged with the double homicide of his parents, Rob and Michelle Reiner. Senior national correspondent Kevin Corke has the latest. Kevin.
Evening, Jesse. Bearded, wearing glasses, and restrained in a blue protective vest, and as you point out, wearing shackles. 32-year-old Nick Reiner, son of famed Hollywood actor-director Rob Reiner, appeared in court today, 3 days after his arrest, and a day after he was charged with fatally stabbing his parents, Rob and Michelle, early Sunday morning in Brentwood. The couple's bodies discovered Sunday afternoon before a planned evening gathering with former President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama. Now, in a bit of a surprise to many, the arraignment was postponed again today, this time for 3 weeks, so the accused killer actually didn't have to enter a plea, at least not yet. Reiner, of course, could face the death penalty for the vicious stabbings. Meantime, also today, a new trove of video has surfaced, including one of the accused killer, where he apparently was calmly strolling near his parents' home before the murders. Reiner also was seen in another video allegedly buying a drink at a gas station, again moments before his arrest. There have also, Jesse, been numerous reports that we're beginning to sort of filter through, including some that have detailed Nick's alleged violent behavior, including one from the Post that he'd been living in his parents' guest house, which he'd apparently trashed several times in violent outbursts. Now, if you throw in alleged meth use and not sleeping for days, and there are a lot of people who knew him who thought it was only a matter of time before something terrible happened. Some, in fact, noting adroitly he was a ticking time bomb. Oh, and by the way, there's this from Nick a few years ago talking about his temperament.
He was fiery. You don't seem very fiery to me. You seem like you might just...
I get crazy.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You don't want to set me off.
Don't want to set me off, he said right there. Meantime, there are also new questions tonight about his lawyer. Celebrity defense attorney Alan Jackson, of course, arguing the case. He repped Kevin Spacey and Harvey Weinstein previously, and there are legal eagles who believe he could charge over $1 million for this case, which of course begs the all-important question: how does a guy who's been homeless repeatedly with no apparent source of income afford such high-priced counsel? One of many questions we continue to seek answers for tonight, Jesse.
Yeah, tragic and very weird situation.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You bet.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.